Something I really enjoyed implementing in my game Crystal Hunt was a looking at stuff system. This triggers lines of dialogue from the player character when looking at a particular object or in a certain direction, in order to supply prompts, feedback, or just extend the world building capabilities through sound. In this video I'll explain how it works. Throughout my game I have set up 5 different versions of this same system. For this video I will use the mushroom one as an example. But this process is exactly the same for all the others. Firstly, trigger boxes are placed around the map at locations where the dialogue is wanted. This allows us to set whether we're in a suitable range for the dialogue to be played. Here you can see the one surrounding the area of the mushroom. When the player overlaps the box, using the Cast To node it communicates from the level blueprint to the first person blueprint that it's in range of the object by setting a variable in range of mushroom to true. Then, with inside the first person blueprint, an event tick, every frame starts multiple custom events for each looking at system, like for example, looking at mushroom, which you can see here. All the custom events first reach a branch, checking if its in range variable is set from overlapping the relevant trigger box. If the variable is true, a line trace is extended forward from the first person camera by a unit of 5,000. This was just the right distance for this project. When this line hits an actor, it gets that actor's name by breaking the hit results from the line trace and getting the display name. Then, if this name is equal to the intended target's name, in this case mushroom_4, we can set a condition of a branch node to be true. Now the game knows the player is in the right area and looking at the right thing, so it can then play the dialogue by using a spawn sound attached. It is attached to the player character so that the voice emanates from the player. A do once is also used so that the dialogue can't be re-triggered and is only ever played one time. Let's have a look at this system in action with the mushroom example. I'll demonstrate it once normally and then a second time backing up towards the mushrooms to highlight how it only works once the target is looked at. I heard the mycelium of these mushrooms connect the magic in this forest. I heard the mycelium of these mushrooms connect the magic in this forest. Later adaptations of this system and others in my game that contain dialogue were also all updated to set a variable is talking while in use. This was so that other systems could check whether the player was already talking with a branch node. And if the player was talking, the system would be delayed by a couple of seconds so that 2 lines of dialogue were never played at the same time. Thank you for watching this video.